The family has seen you, and thank you very much for coming. Lucy, on our behalf, as they stand. A minute, please.
Thank you, my bishop. I came with a caller because I'm a reverend nowadays. I knew you will not give me an opportunity if I don't put on a collar. As they have seen you, all of them, and on behalf of the media, my Lord Bishop, we are so many, and Madam Lizzie has been paying our salaries in the media, especially in the Kikuyu community. The people from the media just to stand and wave like this. I know you are all here. Kameme FM, led by this guru, 24 years in the radio. Thank you so much. Shoro FM, Kigosho, Moroto, Igajo, Radio Zote. We are actually live on several radios. I have just seen Kameme live, and I've also seen one of my colleagues, and a great preacher who is doing so well nowadays, Reverend Ben Kiengei. You are actually to mention them. Come stand next to me because tunawataja tu. We only sing this, kuja, Reverend Ben. Ladies and gentlemen, the preachers who have come from far and wide, my Lord Bishops, and my leaders led by my governor. We have Bishop Godfrey Derito from Rogai. He's been in charge of Rogai Mix campus, and with so many, we are so many because we are friends of Madam Lizzie. My Lord Bishop, I just saw a photo la mix ya Bagereria that immediately go ya national ya Kenya. Pastor Ben Daremos ya hideo nigeta tiga hoidie so that we can walk the journey. Na neturute tawera o ya toke hota. Family, tough times never last, but tough people do. Hakuri gereria re.
Bwana asifiwe. Inulie mkono, praise God. Our spiritual fathers here, political wing, and everyone who has come to mourn a great woman who will be forgotten, Madam Liz Wanyoike. I know Jenga, you know the journey that you have walked together with Liz, a personal journey, and also in Kameme FM. And my only prayer is that Liz will rest in peace. Thank
you so much. Thank you very much, bishops, pastors, apostles.